My name is Michael Muldoon. I'm Sales and Business Development Director with AV&R. AV&R, we specialize in robotic finishing and visual surface inspection. And we're here today to announce the next step in our partnership with 3M. And now we're here today to announce two branded systems, the FX200C and the TFX1200. These systems are targeted for aerospace and medical, but together we're excited to see what other industries we can take it into and unlock the possibilities. So I'd like to introduce Carl Dookson, the Global Automation and Robotics Leader for 3M, to say a few words.
Good afternoon. My name is Carl Dookson. I'm the Global Robotics Automation Director at 3M. And you can see this cell behind me. It's doing deburring, a light form of grinding. Of course, grinding products were 3M's very first products. So what we have here, two brands coming together. The 3M brand gives this application some additional, authority, especially like Michael said, in these demanding, regulated applications like aerospace and medical implants. Now I want to introduce you to the leader of the abrasives division at 3M. Again, this is 3M's original business, and it's going strong right into the future with robotics and automation. Adi?
We today are so proud to take our relationship with AV&R to the next level of taking this abrasive domain expertise and this industry knowledge of ours, marrying it together with AV&R's software and robotic processing knowledge, their machine vision knowledge. So I want to thank my colleagues in 3M that have been working on this collaboration. I want to thank our partners in AV&R. We're very excited to walk into the future together. Thank you.